Happy Planner Wednesday, and this spread is going to be from May the 28th through June the 3rd. And what we're going to be doing this week is Midnight Lace. It's a really good thriller starring Rex Harrison and Doris Day, and I love it. It's a wonderful thriller. So let me show you, I made my own stickers, and let me show you the paper that I've chosen to use with this. This paper is gorgeous, and it reminds me, because this is set in London, and it's real foggy, and there's a lot of stuff going on, but she's very elegant and so cheerful and bright. So this paper really reminded me of her. And then this reminds me of all the fog that's going on in the movie. And also, both of these darkness picks up the dark theme to me that's running throughout the movie. And I'm either going to be using one of these washies, I'm not sure, either this one here, which I got at Michael's in a set, or maybe this one, or maybe this one, I'm not really sure. And then I'm just going to be using a Papermate marker that I got from Dollar Tree. Okay, so let's take my pages out of my planner, and I am so glad that everybody loved my theme that I did for the Magnificent Seven. I really enjoyed doing that. I had so much fun. Okay, so I've decided that I want this beautiful paper to be the dominant theme of the spread, so I'm going to put it on first. Okay, let's put our paper down where we want it. But I think this is going to be a beautiful spread. Okay, let's glue our paper down. Oh, I think that is going to be really pretty. Okay, let's put our washi down. And like I said, I'm really not sure which ones I want to use. I kind of like this, but it is so wide. I may just use this one right here. Oh, that's pretty. I really like that. She's so elegant in the movie. I think this paper lends itself nicely to her character. Now I may take this down the side and then put something wider along that bottom, because this is just not that. Okay, and I think just across the bottom, I'm going to put this really wide washi. Oh, I think that looks nice. I like the combination. Okay. Oh, I love how that turns out. Okay, now like I said, I made my own stickers, and this just says Midnight Lace, how the DVD would look. And then here she is with Rex Harrison, and he plays her husband in here, and they haven't been married very long, and he's a financier, he's very wealthy, and they live together in England. I think it's in London. And this is the first time that she hears this voice. She's walking back to her flat, and it's really foggy, and she hears this voice, and it tells her that she will be dead within a month. And here she starts to get these phone calls. I don't want to tell you too much about it, but she starts getting these phone calls, and they're threatening her. But it seems when she finally tells her husband about it, she's the only person that is hearing these calls, and they're trying to think that she's crazy. And they go to the police for her to identify a name, I mean a voice. and she couldn't identify any. So the inspector really doesn't believe her. And then this is a lady that has a flat in the same building as they do. And she comes up and she talks to Kit, which is Doris Day's name, all the time. I'm gonna put that right down here. And then here she is when she's talking to Rex Harrison, her husband, because she's upset because people think she's crazy. They think she's just wanting attention from her husband because he's so busy all the time. He's breaking dates with her and things like that. Then her aunt comes into town, and she wants to believe Doris Day, but she hasn't heard the voice. But she doesn't want to believe that her niece is insane. And then here's the phone ringing, and Doris Day is desperate for somebody else to hear this voice that it sounds really creepy. And she's listening from the top to see if somebody can actually hear it. And then here's Rex Harrison, and he got the phone, and he tells her that he believes her. And she's just so happy to think that he believes her, and people aren't going to say that she's crazy. And then here she gets another call, and then there's this person standing there. And it could be, there's several people that could be doing this. It could be their maid's son, she's made an enemy out of him. Or it could be this man over this construction that's happening near their flat, or other people. So I'll just leave it at that. And here she is in her black lace dress, and that's where it comes, midnight lace. She has it on. And then here's the man that's building part of another flat where they're at. And you don't know if it could be him or who it could be. So I'll just leave it like this. Something happens one night in her flat, and she's trying to escape, and she's trying to climb down through where he has all that construction where they're building everything. It is a really good movie, but I don't want to ruin it for you, so that's as far as I'll go for there. So, I think it looks wonderful. So let me write some things that I need to do. Okay, now let's put it back in my planner and we'll see how it turned out. But I think it is really pretty. I love the effect that all this paper and washi gave it. I think it just looks very elegant, like she is, sophisticated, but gentle and very happy. But it's a really good movie. I mean, if you haven't seen it, you really should try to watch it. But I love this paper, both papers. I love both washies, and I really like how my stickers turned out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.